Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove your card from Shein step by step. So what we wanna do is just first load up the Shein app, and here this is very important. We wanna go into our orders, and this is to prevent it from further adding our card. So if you go and pay now, you will choose create a debit card. Now make sure this is not toggled on. Make sure this is not toggled on. Remember this card for future use. Just untoggle this if it's selected. So how can we remove our card actually? So here's what we want to do. Click on the headset icon next to the settings in the top right and next to the QR code scanner. And here where it says support, we will choose payment and promos, and you want to search for remove card. Okay, how to delete my card info. It's going to show us this. Hi, please follow these steps to delete saved card infos or card info. Please check my payment options, and you can choose to delete the specific card you've saved before. And this is what they told us, and click the option save for further purchase at checking out. So if you click on my payment options here and you log in with your account, you will be able to see your saved card and you can just remove it here. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.